Hi, welcome to the CDocs Tip of the Day. Today we're going to use the Virtual Articulator to adjust the occlusion on our CEREC restorations. In the previous video we showed you how to turn it on, and now what you do is once you have that Virtual Articulator on, once you have turned on the occlusal compass by clicking on the compass tab, that shows you where all of the interferences are. So now with those interferences, what we can do is we can go ahead and we can adjust them manually using our form tool, our shape tool, whatever your favorite tool is. Or you click on the automatic contact tool and click on the button FGP. The FGP button, functionally generated pathway, what it does, it adjusts your occlusion automatically. Not only the static occlusion, but it will also adjust all of the interferences that may have been present in the case. So simply a click of the button automatically adjusts that occlusion. You have to be careful that the minimal thickness doesn't get too thin. So if we take our anatomical shape tool, we raise the occlusion way high, simply clicking on the FGP button will allow us to automatically adjust the occlusion. Well, what is it adjusting the occlusion to? It will adjust it to our occlusal contact strength parameter and our dynamic contact strength parameter. Those parameters should be set so that when you click that FGP button, it automatically adjusts the occlusion to an ideal manner.